Edo State People's Democratic Party PDP Deputy Governorship candidate for the 2024 election, Barrister Ogie Esquire, don host one thank you party for the people of Ikpoba Okha local government for in-house. The event na to appreciate the support wey dem show am and PDP during the last gubernatorial election. For his speech, Barrister Ogie Esquire, after him personally welcoming guests, come thank them well for the support and come yarn them say PDP win the election, say make them not worry as him confirm say the party don already file petition to reclaim their mandate. Oga Ogie come also yarn Edo people say make them dey careful and shine their eye well for their homes and communities as in they see tough times they come, but come also assure them say it no go last long.
PDP. Prophet. The coming months will be tough. All of you, for the people of Edo State. More time. More time. Security. But it will not last for long. Don't worry. It will not last for long. When the Israelites go to cross the Red Sea, it will be tough, but they will cross the Red Sea. But you know people, the coming months will be tough. Understand? Yes. It's going to be tough. So now, one year, let us all be careful. It must be vigilant in your homes, in your communities. Because there's going to be some level of disorder. But God knows His own. Yes. God will protect His own. Amen. Like the one it is going to be temporary. Always say, I am here for you. My home, my house is open for all of you.
24/7. Wakobole leader.
Right here. Right here.
The leader is here. Yes, so.
Speaking at the event now, Director General of the Aswe Ogie campaign, Matthew Idwayekere, and Honorable Nicholas Asosare, member where they represent Ikpoba Okha local government area for Edo State House of Assembly, come talk say them no go rest until them collect back PDP mandate and say them sure say soon then go celebrate the candidates as governor and deputy governor for the state.
Our leader, our father called all of us. First, to thank every one of us. Because with everything they did, you people did not disappoint the party. So, the results that they have announced, they have been announced. But every one of us here know that we won the election. I challenge them almost on a daily basis when we see. I'll say, you want to talk, so where did your unit results? Yes. You lost your unit. So if you lost your unit, how did you now win the election? To me, you know, all this move, they go to church. Me too, I go to church. But at the same time, I also believe that our traditional ways of seeing God still exist. Like the Muslims also believe that when they go to the mosque, they have a way to reach God. The important thing is that we all have a way to reach God. And through those ways that we reach God, I want to stay on the one that is in the Bible, which is in the church. We can spend more time to study. What is happening to us now? I'm likening it to the life of Jesus Christ. Jesus was doing so many things, and God was appointed the Jews felt they must stop him. Then they crucified him. When he came back again, was he stronger than before he was crucified, or he was bigger? We are going to come out stronger in this than the way it is now. So I'm liking this as that time of crucifixion. They can't even celebrate. Because it is difficult to carry something that's not your own. Still, I'm celebrating with it publicly. They can't even do it. And I will tell you that those that are fighting for democracy to stay in Nigeria, they all know that the democratic process that happened here on the 21st of September, we must sustain it. Otherwise, a lot of people have lost the faith in the process. So my friends have told me that if this mandate is not restored, they will not vote again in their lives. And because I know that God does not sleep, was slumber, was I here? That God who rewards every honest labor. We all labor. We saw the results. We have seen the promised land. Nobody can stop us from getting there. Our leader and our father, by the grace of God, in not too distant future, we will come here to celebrate him as the devil. The reason is because and those people voted for me.
100%.
We will celebrate elsewhere as governor. The difference between democracy and other forms of government is that democracy gives people the right to choose who leads them. And those who are chosen, nobody, no power can change it by the grace of God.
Until our mandate is returned back to the original winner, they shall not have peace. By fire, by thunder. The devil recorded it that he that challenges the child of God will neither have peace, slumber, or light. Shall they? No. And the government were until whom I want to bless. Yes, I will bless. I shall not what?
Sleep.
Reverend Canon. Until whom I want to bless. And it's not blessed. I will not have what?
I will not rest.
You will not rest.
I will not rest.
Until the mandate of OI 1 and 2 is returned, they shall never have peace.
Yes, amen. And beside you,
The Commissioner of Physical Planning, Housing, Urban and Regional Development, Isoke Omo, wey also tanda gidigba for the event, con use the opportunity to throw a salute to the people of Ikpoba Okha for their support, wey make her fit do her work well inside the government.
Before I said everything, I will never thank you enough. Because the strength of person and people wey dey around now, in our life, now who dey around like your power, not be money, not be clothes, not be house, now people. Because if anything happen, good or bad, now who come like be your strength. And the Ikpoba Okha don't show for many ways, so they're not going to ever disappoint. As a bad never ever disappoint you, now not going to ever disappoint. So as a bad don't talk, me I won't have my own joy now. When I know say this our tenure they end on November 11. This tenure don't finish. So why would they wait for a mandate? Our tenure don't end. And if I don't join my mouth tell them thank you, then I be ungrateful.
I'll be lying.
Because now that same is make I go represent you for government. So I went to thank you so much. Thank you.
I go at 12.
I want you to send back the message. Now another thing to bring the message, do the message. Now another thing to go and finish work out with your leg or more. So I want to also tell our Wesley because no matter how it be, as I look we say, hold one. If they don't call me for shame, now we not go shame. I mean that lie. If they don't call me for anything, now they will either rob Ikpoba Okha. God not let can be like that.
And
So I want to use this opportunity to tell and say,
Plenty refreshment and jollification full ground for the enjoyment of all the people wey tanda for the party. Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We not dey take blame. From Benin City, Ekata Ogie, TMC TV News.